Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to save spotlight images and set as desktop background in Windows 11. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %user profile %\. appdata /local /packages. Open Windows Content Delivery Manager, Local State, Assets folder. Copy larger size files copied and paste to new folder. Right-click, click Open in Windows Terminal. Type ren space, **** star.jpg. Click View, click Extra Large Icons. Right-click Image, click Set as Desktop Background. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.